How to set default video quality in YouTube mobile app. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will walk you through the steps of setting default video quality in your YouTube mobile app. The first step is to open the YouTube app on your device and log into your account. Once you have logged in, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. From these options, select Video Quality Preferences. Here you have two sets of settings. The first one is video quality on mobile networks. The second one is video quality on Wi-Fi. Now, if it is set on auto, then YouTube will automatically adjust to give you the best experience for your conditions. If you want higher picture quality, select the second one. This is going to use more data. If you want to save data, select the third one, which is Data Saver. The picture quality will be lower. Select whichever option you want. For video quality on Wi-Fi, it is recommended to set it to higher picture quality. And this is how you can set default video quality in YouTube mobile app. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.